Want to be a writer? Don't know where to start? Here are 5 tips to help you out. Just write. The thing you make too big will become too heavy to carry. Basically, if you make writing into this big monolithic thing, it's definitely going to be hard to do. Just make it the thing that you love doing and do it. Have fun. This is something you love doing. Have fun with it. Dare to write things you probably would never say in public. So long as you enjoy it, that's all that matters.
Tip number 3.
Write daily. Build a habit that will sustain you when you are not inspired. Tip number 4. I actually heard from Dan Brown in one of those adverts. Write like no one's watching. They probably aren't. While they're not watching, you have nothing to be afraid of. It's write like no one's watching because no one is. Tip number 5. Read and or listen to plenty of good inspirational stuff.
You can't get too much inspiration. You can't get too much inspiration. There's no such thing.